My YouTube channel has 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time in the last 12 months. What do I do now? How do I apply to the YouTube Partner Program to monetize my YouTube channel? As I've mentioned in a few previous videos, I launched a new YouTube channel late last year, and just yesterday, April 13th, around 1 a.m. Central Time, we reached the 1,000 subscriber mark, and we already have around 6,000 hours of watch time. So we reached the 4,000 hours a couple of weeks ago, and now it's time to apply for the YouTube Partner Program so that we can start to monetize this channel. So I wanted to wait to really talk about this channel. It's called Greater Than Enough. It's focused on personal finance. This is the first time that I'm sharing the name in a YouTube video or really anywhere else. I probably told around a dozen people this channel exists. I haven't shared it on this YouTube channel or anywhere on social media. I wanted to go all the way from 0 subscribers to monetization just through the YouTube algorithm, not from sharing it anyplace else. So now I can talk about the channel more freely and talk about how we went from 0 subscribers to 1,000, got all the watch time. That will be for another video. Today, I just want to go through the process of applying to the YouTube Partner Program. The best place to track your progress on reaching the requirements to apply for the YouTube Partner Program are within YouTube Studio. So if you log into your YouTube Studio account, it's going to look something like this. And then along the side, you can click on Monetization. So you can see here we have checked all 4 boxes. So over 1,000 subs, 1,010. We have 5,935 public watch hours, or over 4,000, 2-step verification, and 0 active community guideline strikes. So before you meet all the requirements, instead of saying apply now, there'll be a button that says something like notify me when I meet the requirements. I clicked that button a couple weeks or a couple of months ago. And so I got notified by YouTube through email today around 2 p.m., 2:18. And so this was 37 hours after meeting the requirement. So if you want to apply for the YouTube Partner Program as quick as possible, don't wait for the email. Be tracking the 1,000 subs and 4,000 hours of watch time on your own. But I wanted to create this video, so I waited to apply until I was at the office with my camera so we can record today's video. Now it's time to hit the Apply Now button. Okay, so there's 3 steps. So review partner program terms. Well, we have a couple of other channels that are already monetized, so I'm familiar with this. Let's click on Start. Understand the terms. I accept the YouTube Partner Program terms. Email me updates, announcements, and personalized tips to help grow my channel. Okay, accept terms. Are you just getting started on YouTube? Do you want help creating your account, creating your first videos, and starting to grow on YouTube? We just launched a YouTube course for beginners. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description below. So now step 2, sign up for Google AdSense. Obviously, we already have a Google AdSense account for this channel and the couple other monetized channels that we manage. So I won't have to go through this process here, but if you want me to create another Google AdSense account so you can see step by step how that works, write AdSense down below in the comments. Let's click on Start. You'll be redirected to AdSense to complete this step. And then so you have 3 options here. Yes, I have an existing account. No, I don't have an existing account, or I don't know. So yep, we've got it. Yes. You're only allowed 1 AdSense account per person. Because you have an existing AdSense account, you should select the email address associated with that account on the next screen. I can do that. All right, existing Google Publisher account. Yep, that's us. Your website, accept association, redirect to your host. Okay, Google AdSense, check. And now step 3 is happening. So it says, YouTube will review your channel to make sure it complies with the YouTube monetization policies. We'll email you a decision usually within a month. This step will begin automatically after you complete the first 2 steps. So review underway. So I'll be creating another video as soon as I hear back from them, and I'll tell you how long it took, if it takes a month, if it takes less than that. Maybe it'll take less, being that we already have a couple monetized accounts, but you'll find out in that video. So as soon as that video is ready, I'll link to it right here. And if you want to learn how to make money on YouTube, check out the video below. Hope to see you in those and future videos. Bye.